Hi, Cree from nuCamp RV, product specialist. This week we're going to be discussing something that's pretty common. What should you use to clean and wax your nuCamp unit? For cleaning, you're going to want to make sure to use something mild, a mild car soap. Just don't use anything that you wouldn't use on your own vehicle. Most importantly, besides the soap, is how you actually wash it. You want to do it by hand. If you do it by automatic car wash, most likely your decals will be damaged or peeled. So just make sure to wash it by hand, use something mild, and you should be good to go. For waxing, we don't really have any specific waxes or brands that you should use. Just make sure to stay away from anything abrasive like polish. So what I usually recommend is a one-step cleaner wax. This will be probably your best option. So that's how you clean and wax your unit. If you have any questions on that, you can email me at tech@nucamprv.com. Thank you and have a good day.